Hi, guys. How's it going? I hope you didn't forget that today is the last day to claim your Nitro. But no worries. I will give away free Nitro in this video, so watch it till the end. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. I will keep this short and simple. Type in Nitro in the search bar. Now click the Get button and accept their agreement. But make sure you log in first. After a few minutes of wait, you will get this mail to redeem your Nitro. Since I will be not redeeming mine, I will give this Nitro away to you guys. The lucky ones will claim it. To claim the Discord Nitro, please join my Discord server, link will be in the description. Go to Primo channel. I will post the link when I drop this video so nobody else can claim it before you. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button for more news and tech tips like this. See ya!